And what's happening, YouTube? It's boy Tech TRX back in another video, and today this is a robot vacuum from Lefant, the Robot P1. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit the notification bell so you could be notified on next videos to come up tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. Make sure to hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's go ahead and open this up and show you what else it could do. Here we go. Pretty nice box here. It has this little diagram here. It says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pretty much the instructions on how to set it up. Put that away. User manual in here as well. Look at this robot vacuum. This is a smaller one. Smallest I've seen so far. Pretty cute. Comes with a little charging base. Like so. Comes with a filter as well. Cleaning brush for hair, cutting the hair as well. It comes with a bunch of brushes, like so. It comes with 4, which is really good. It comes with extra, right? This part is also like a barrier so that you can eliminate certain areas that you don't want your vacuum to go to. And then the power adapter right there. So the vacuum on top, like so, it comes with this little latch so you can see inside. There we go. Now you could pull this out by doing that. There we go. And this is where all your dirty stuff will come in. This can carry up to 3 days of dirt. To open this is just simply doing that so that you can change the filter. It does come with an extra one, as mentioned earlier. So this part comes off up here, like so. You can empty this out to get rid of the dirt. So if you want to put it back, all you need to do is just do that and then push it in like so, and you're done. And then you just put it the same way as you got it. There we go. Close that down. On top of here, it comes with a power button, and I believe that's another button right there. Front here, it has a little camera and 2 flash as well. The bottom, it does come with retractable legs there. It has this part that sucks out all the dirt, and then the 2 brushes just gets installed down here, like so. Little base as well. It's pretty simple, like so. On the side is where you plug it in. The Lefant P1 has a diameter that's very small, which is the smallest robot with camera on the market. It also focuses on the tangle-free suction design, which is to avoid the roller brush from tangling hair. Cleans pet hair efficiently, more concentrated suction, stronger vacuuming ability, and easier to clean dust and prolong service life, suitable for all types of floors. Now let's try it out. Now the app we're looking at today is the Lefant. We're just going to download this, we're going to create an account, and we're going to add the new device. Now that we've logged in, we're just going to add a robot. It's one of the P1 series. I think they only have one there. Let's power on the robot now. We're just going to follow along on the setup here. Now, all of the app-powered devices needs to be network configured. So we're just going to use a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi here, and it should do the trick. Now, once you are ready, let's hit the whole area here, and it'll start to clean. Now, I really like how it's small, and it can bypass through small areas, which is really good. Some other, like under the chairs and whatnot, it's a lot easier to maneuver itself. It has ultra strong suction as well, and we've tried this out on many different hairs, like human. We don't have pets or anything like that, but human long hair, it doesn't tangle at all because it doesn't have a roll in the middle. It just has these brushes that pushes it in, and it does really well on not entangling on the hairs. Now, the Lefant P1 is also good on hard floors and even on carpets, as you could see here. And these carpets is not a full carpet. It has these seams, multi-carpet flooring like so. It doesn't get hit or get entangled on it. These carpets as well gets really rough because it has a bunch of rocks from people coming in to the house. So that's really good that it's able to do its job here really well. It has edge detection as well. I'm really surprised that it able to detect that. I thought because of the barrier strip that they provided that it wouldn't have that feature, but it was able to detect the edge and it didn't fall off. And I think one of the best features as well is to use it as a monitor. So basically, you'll be able to access the camera on the front of the Lefant P1, and then you'll be able to use it as a security camera, as you could see here. I'm manually controlling it as well with the controls here, using it as kind of like a movable security cam for your home, which is really awesome. You can use a fill-in light as well. You can record, you can talk to the person as well using the intercom, and then you could take a screenshot as well. Right now, it was able to go up to this little mat, the children kind of mat that we have here, and it was able to maneuver even with the little things that are going on here. It was able to suck out as well little paper like so. My baby just throws away stuff all over the floor, and it's able to go around it and kind of clean this area as well, which is really awesome. I was able to test it out a bit, going to little corners here, little nooks and crannies, what they call it. And I was able to do it as well. It wasn't able to go underneath too much, but it was able to reach further than most vacuum I've tested, which is really good. And that's it for today, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new vacuum for your home so that you can keep it clean while you're not around. It is also app powered, so you'll be able to control this from the app. And I definitely recommend this for people who are minimalist and you want something that will just clean the carpet, that will just clean your floors, and don't worry about it. It's not very bulky as well. It's pretty small, smaller than most vacuums that I've seen, so that's really good. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.